Hello Kent Covenant, here we are in Tampa on a very hot sunny day and we're at the Thai market where hundreds of people come every Sunday. There's a Thai temple behind us and we ate lots of Thai food today. Sophia tried sticky rice and we are just making this video to say thank you for your support. I met Pastor Carpenter 15 years ago in Japan and then you were supporting me when I was in Belgium working with Africans. So now we're super excited because we just heard that you're partnering with us to get to Japan to work with Latinos and Brazilians.
Nós queremos agradecer a cada de vocês e esperamos ver a cada de vocês em breve. I just said in Portuguese, we're very thankful and we hope to see you and meet you soon in person. Thank you. Thank you for your beautiful generosity and your prayers, supporting us to move to Japan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.